Transfer Day is a day when we bring university reps to campus, and it gives all students, no matter if they're first year, second, third year, or more, a chance to talk to the admissions reps and learn about the transfer process to those universities. I think we have a lot of students that are first generation that don't think college is possible for them, and people who have parents who are educated that it's their turn now. And this is just a day to just open up those doors and let students know it is possible and to learn about that transfer process.
Well, it allows students and colleges to be able to connect in a way that may not happen with students in classes doing the research online. It allows us to have that one-on-one opportunity to talk about our programs, to really get to the students' questions, to see if this would be a good fit for them. And ultimately, I think all of the schools that are here are trying to find that right fit for each student, and hopefully our campus or one of the campuses here will attract them so they can continue on with their education. I think at the end of the day, all of the counselors here, including me and myself, want students to continue on to transfer to that next institution to get a bachelor's, master's, PhD, and beyond.
Moorpark gets them set up in a very positive way to send them off to the next thing that they want to pursue, but they don't necessarily know, not every student knows all the options that are out there. So this is a great way for students to find out about certainly who we are, but what else is out there, what's available, and what college or university is going to be the perfect fit for them in their next step.
And events like these are especially important because students, especially students in the arts, can sometimes be intimidated by UCLA, by the super high caliber academics. And of course we want our students to succeed in our school, but we are looking for students who have that creative drive, have that creative passion and talent in the arts. So we're looking for somewhat different students than sometimes or go for the main campus programs. So we want to be able to show students that even if you didn't think UCLA might be an option for you, that in the arts it really might be open to you.
As admission counselors look at that personal touch when it comes to looking for students. We want to be there to be able to offer any assistance that we can. It also helps when we go into the application reading process and seeing a familiar name from events like this, it kind of definitely bridges that gap.
I think days like this are important just for schools just in general, just to get out there and to talk to a lot of students, and you get to hear a lot of students' needs. We've had a lot of students apply, and I talk to a lot of students every day, but I get to hear like the majors that they're interested in, the problems that they might have had when they were here, that they might have had in high school, and how we can overcome them.